also worth noting the difference in soil. They've both been worked exactly the same, but the rooting potential of the grasses is quite significant when you're breaking to the into the structures. You see a bit of compaction present. Well, not much, but a little bit of water standing with the orange soils that are there, and no worm activity, even though it's been only disked and power harrowed. Whereas you look at the Berseem one, and you cut that one open, much tighter already, and a lot more worm activity. If you can see the worms in there, there they are. Take a look at the shadow. A lot more worm activity in there behind those leaves. Lot tighter sward. You see the some worm activity in here. So again, creating the right environment for water to penetrate down, all the systems to work better. Quite a hard, you can hear the root structure already there, holding things together quite well. And again, good worm population.